I think one of my favorite things about filmmaking is exploring perspective, exploring experience, feeling how people interact with one another, relationships, exploring relationships, touch, views. I like exploring the themes of solitude and growth. I like exploring the themes of matriarchs and their impact in our lives, our relationships, motherhood. I like exploring boldness, strength, curiosity. I like exploring community and what it means, power. I also like gore. I like exploring danger, fear, high-paced. Playing around with genres is one of my favorite things. I love how you can share perspective through feelings. Danger, science fiction, all these themes that are not necessarily popular in Africa. Action, heroes, women, panic, strength,